And I am Roger. We have senior news for you this morning.
Jocelyn will be here during Adobe lectures tomorrow.
Owie, owie. Are you alright?
Our Christmas tree is sparkle, jolly, twinkle, jingly.
Hello. Hello.
Screen around so I can see it.
Okay.
Okay. How does it feel getting off graphics?
It feels weird because like now I'm like in a corner, but like, oh my god, Emily's like stepping out of her comfort zone, out of the line. Although I don't really know what I'm doing, so I actually don't. I don't know when to.
There we go.
Like, you know.
Yeah.
I need like a headphone thing, but it's okay.
No, I don't think so.
Hi, Lauren.
People ask me if I use skate, and I'm like,
Am I actually in there? Hi. Trisha, she's vlogging.
Oh my gosh. This is a vlog. I'm Trisha. Today is December 4th, 2018.
wow.
We're currently in AK Lane. The bell will ring in approximately less than a minute. Yeah. What else should I say?
Is that a whale? Katie, is that a whale on your camera?
Shark.
Oh, it's a
The shark.
What's up, guys? What's up? Just follow, subscribe to Katie. She's awesome, you know. Hit the subscribe button, notification button up there.
Isn't it down there?
I mean, down there.
Down there, the link to her social media will be down there too.
Twitter,
In the
Insta.
description. Yeah.
I'll click the eye.
Hello, Katie's vlog. Oh my gosh, is it starting?
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Did you get that?
I didn't know.
Oh, it's
Hello, Katie's vlog. How are you guys today?
Katie. Hey.
Okay, I need to go. I have a Spanish test.
Oh, good luck. Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, like
Smash
and
that
subscribe.
like button.
Should I do Obama? Adobe Premiere Pro. I say, yeah,
Josh
the easiest president.
is a big meanie.
The one that's the most.
What about it? Hey, you want to do Flying Man today? Oh, yes.
I was number 12 for my Spanish oral, so do you see how many AP notes I got done after that? I was so freaking proud because I was so productive.
I'd like to introduce
Mi amor.
Katie, Layla for a minute. So I'll be mom. Mom will sit here in chair. Emily, you're gonna sit here.
Film
Mom,
kids,
and then
right?
her son will be right here.
TikTok
You guys with me?
Yes, the camera's gonna be over here, so I can get all the green. I need to figure out how to make you. We need to move that. You need to move that. Like just move it to the right a bit. Yeah. So I can use all this space.
Oof. Review?
Just like 10 seconds.
No, actually, fine.
Let me.
I love Chick-fil-A
log
sauce.
in here.
Yep.
Whoa! Do you describe it as
Oh, hi.
Okay, let me zoom out. 5 more. Shit. Wait, 5 more?
My back is so tired. Whoa! Whoa!
Huh?
This thing's dope. I know it's running.
I'll do this. I'll clean it up.
Oh, wait, here you
Hey,
go.
rolling. 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 Right. Rolling. I know.
Yo, right there.
Wee! Wee! Birdman! Part 2!
Yo, the mic's not on. The mic's not on. Go again.
Right here? Okay. Hi, welcome to my vlog. So, I'm in the air, and it's very blue, like my jacket. You should buy this jacket. Sponsor!
You would put a dotted line.
Second.
Vertical.
Okay.
And then one you would put.
Mi amor!
Why you do that every time?
It's a Spanish soap opera.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Katie. Do you have anything to say, Katie? That's cool. So let's go over to our project. It's called Birdman. We're working on this John over here.
Let's see how it looks now.
It's looking pretty fun. Hopefully this is some good like 10-second content for Katie. I hope she splices it all up and makes it look really bad because too much tuna.